Hello and welcome back to A Course in Miracles, Workbook for Students. Today we are on Lesson 89, and we are going to review these two chapters. These are our review ideas for today. Number 1, I am entitled to miracles. I am entitled to miracles because I am under no laws but God's. His laws release me from all grievances and replace them with miracles. Close the book. That's it. And I would accept the miracles in place of the grievances, which are but illusions that hide in the miracles beyond. Now I would accept only what the laws of God entitled me to have, that I may use it on behalf of the function he has given me. You might use these suggestions. Oh, sorry, go ahead. That's your
No,
turn.
that's okay. You do the whole first lesson. I can do the second one.
Okay. You might use these suggestions for specific applications of this idea. Behind this is a miracle to which I am entitled. Oh, I like that. Let me not hold a grievance against you, name a name, but offer you the miracle that belongs to you instead. Seen truly, this offers me a miracle. You know, and
Wow.
I think before you read the next one, I'm just going to say with my housing situation, I am going to believe in miracles.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. I just wanted to throw that in there.
You bet. Let miracles replace all grievances. By this idea do I unite my will with the Holy Spirit's and perceive them as one. By this idea do I accept my release from hell. By this idea do I express my willingness to have all my illusions be replaced with truth according to God's plan for my salvation. I would make no exceptions and no substitutes. I want all of heaven and only heaven as God wills me to have. Use specific forms for applying this idea would be, I would not hold this grievance apart from my salvation. Let our grievances be replaced by miracles. Beyond this is the miracle by which all my grievances are replaced.
I'll be right there.
Yeah, no problem.
Let miracles replace all grievances.
Yeah.
You know, I think when I was grumbling a little bit beforehand, and I think we all have the ability to grumble because there's
Oh,
times and things
on
that
the
are
daily.
grumbly about. But instead of grumbling, because that's really the grievance, and allow it to happen. We don't want to judge and make it wrong or, be hard on ourselves or anything like that. But so allow that moment of grumbling and then say, okay, I'm ready for the miracle.
Yep, I've released
Um,
that.
I release that. By this idea, do I express my willingness to have all my illusions be replaced with truth according to God's plan for my salvation? So the more I feel like the more I grumble, the more I anchor in the stuff I don't want. It's like the being told, not being told, but when you are in a state of gratitude, you have more things to be grateful for. Whereas when you grumble, you just get more grief.
Right.
So, yeah.
I suppose you could acknowledge the grievance without necessarily the emotional judgment behind it, right? Acknowledge it, look at it, and literally release it and let it go.
Yeah.
That almost
Yeah.
might be more powerful than trying not to feel a grievance, which to me is probably impossible.
Right. Well, and we don't want to ever avoid what we're feeling.
Yeah.
Society doesn't like unhappy people. So, we try and quickly, oh, like, what's wrong? Let's just patch it all up and then you can be
Yeah.
happy again. But really,
Yeah.
we need to acknowledge and not relive the story. I've said that a number of times too. We don't need to involve the story, but feel your feelings.
Yeah. What we
Feel,
don't need to do is is hold the grievances.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we don't want to do.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
Mm-hmm.
I would not hold this grievance apart from my salvation. Let our
Mm-hmm.
grievances be replaced by miracles. Beyond this is a miracle by which my grievance. So, yeah, just acknowledge it. And then
Mm-hmm.
beyond this is the miracle.
Yeah.
I mean, that's all.
Yeah.
Beyond this is the miracle. So, when you allow yourself to acknowledge and feel whatever the grievance is,
Mm-hmm.
on the other side of that is your miracle,
Yeah, that's right.
by which all my grievances are replaced.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I like that. And I'm entitled to miracles.
Absolutely.
And
Yeah.
what I've also noticed too is sometimes I get really caught up in me. I need to do this. I need to do that. I need to fix this. I need to fix that.
Mm-hmm.
It's really just about acknowledging them and surrendering. And
Yeah.
God can fix it.
Yeah. He can
God.
iron that. He can iron that pile over there. Good luck,
Or
bud. You
he'll
don't
give
have any
you,
hands.
or you will feel a feeling
Mm-hmm.
of joy being able to iron.
Absolutely. Yes. That's just, yeah, you just transmute that, right? Just like change that into a good energy.
Yes. And
Mm-hmm.
I just had like a thought that's the same with my bookkeeping. Somehow I need to transmute that into joy.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Um, because it's, anyway, I need to somehow come to terms with that. And I think, and maybe it doesn't mean, tomorrow I'll have another alternative,
Mm-hmm.
but maybe it means to find joy in what you have to do at the time, you know,
Right.
and
Yeah.
instead of really just resisting, I'm not sure. This comes up a lot for me with the bookkeeping in these days. So, you
Do you
know,
feel like you are a good a bookkeeper? You're
I'm a
trying your
really good
best for your
bookkeeper.
clients?
Yep. Yeah.
So then that's the gift, right? Because there's lots of people that are out there that are not you and are
Yeah.
not trying to, they're just getting that work done for those people. And so they're either paying way more than they need to, or, people haven't understood the tax laws and they just don't give a shit.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. But for me, it's more than that. It's knowing that, you know, anyways, that would be for like not YouTube.
no, I know where you're going with that for
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah.
But
But I'm really
uh,
good at what I do. Really good
yes,
at what I do.
yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I just have a hard time right now,
yeah.
these days, just sitting down and doing it. And so
Hmm.
I'm just looking for um I'm going to believe that the miracle, whatever the miracle is on the other side,
Hmm. Hmm.
and to acknowledge the grievance.
Yeah.
His laws release me from all grievances and replace them with miracles, and I would accept the miracle in place of the grievance, which are but illusions that hide the miracles beyond.
That's good. I'm gonna
So,
get my highlighter.
yeah, illusions that hide the miracles beyond.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are miracles. Everything is a miracle on the other side of a grievance. And it wasn't even too far back in our reading. The reminder is that my happiness and my function are one.
Right.
So, yeah, it's important to acknowledge the grievances. I'm sure,
Hmm.
I'm sure God's going, oh, just do your work.
Chop wood
I've
and
got a
carry
better,
water, and chop wood and carry water.
what's that?
Chop wood and carry water. Right? You just continue on.
Yeah, you just keep going, right? You just have to
Hmm.
keep going.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So I
Hmm.
am entitled to miracles and let miracles replace all grievances. I think the miracle would be if I could just do bookkeeping with joy instead of
Right.
conflict.
Yeah.
But let's look at the conflict. I'm going to be curious and whatever, all those things. So
Hmm.
it's going to be one of those days.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Cool.
Beyond this is a miracle to which I'm entitled. That's what it talks a lot about. I'm
Mm-hmm.
entitled to miracles, and let miracles replace all grievances. And on the other side of your grievance is another miracle.
Yep.
So let's focus on the miracles and let's focus on the miracles.
Let's. I love it.
I love it too.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. So let's end the recording here.
Okay.
I think we've figured this out.
Yep.